haven't you heard of First Nolly TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First Nolly TV. Don't touch that.
You no go green, must somebody when you see like this, the flares, so blazing like this rocket, the constant, they talk for my front.
That's suicidal!
Blood and shot today. Blood and shot. Continue shot down on the blow. And I decide that if I see on here again, and I go no see her, any I beat things time.
Try that rubbish next time.
People don't buy. We go tell there's a lion, even when lion they sleep. Nobody go fit touch them. So
that's so. We go tell them say history part no dey for period. Hey, them are not fuck up. Them are fuck up. I don't say. Hey, we need to send these guys message.
What's the execution I'm gonna do?
Oh, I just died. You see what just happened that place? That man just bust that head like this. Bust that farmer. For my kuru, I ain't the bust the head.
When I play this game, I just surrender myself because I don't judge and say, man die. Woman born another.
Rocket you, who that be?
Excesso! Roddy!
Who that be?
I don't say my dog.
Jesus. This is so terrible. So disgraceful. Can you imagine that Emenike of yesterday has the guts to break Mazi Okoko's head with bottle? Hi! What is this community turning into? This is a very, very shameful and serious one. What is community turning into? But your mother was there playing this corrupt game with them, which is very bad. Of a thing. Don't mention my mother's name here at all. Don't try it. Don't try it. Please, people should stop this. Why are you ranting? Tell her. Why are you guys quarreling? We are here talking about what happened at the meeting today, and you are here quarreling, shouting at each other. Please, people should stop this. You are too big for that. Please. help me tell this young lady here, not to mention my mother's name at all, because she didn't see my mother with any weapon. Neither was my mother the person that broke Mazo Okoko's head. Please tell her not to mention my mother's name at all. I don't take it like you with her.
Was she not there? Was she not there?
But she is not lying. Oh. She is saying the truth. What truth? Your mother is Agadia Kwenka. Oh. Did you see her sitting with those small rats? Smoking and drinking. Tell your mother she is too big for that. She is too big for that. If when you get home, advise her. Okay? Advise your mother. Yes. Okay. Talk to her. I won't blame you, but I won't blame you. So you have the guts to stand before me and insult my own mother. Okay, trust her now. You know who she is. Area mama. Truth is bitter, and I have to advise her what she will do to you. What will she do? And when she comes here, she will teach you both how to bam your lips. Then we will bury her. Go and congratulate your mother. Go and congratulate her. Please, let's go. Look at this girl.
Hey, me, as I'm faithful, I provoke. I dey para, Asma, I dey para. See me, Nandega men get mind. But I don't go to head for they get mind, but I don't go to head. So they get moved there, take back. Who goes take back? Who goes take back? Who goes take back now? Where would they not this when they die? Where would they make this happen? Where would they flow you go? You go where they die? Where would they make this happen? Me, I am PG. Me, I am the executioner. Star at the fence. Be still number one. At the fence. You not come, you not go see. And if you not see, you not go see. At the fence. Hey, you get this number one. I swear by my prison deed. If I don't tumble them, if they are number one, there is no road, there will be no peace. There will be no peace in this community. The government will hear our voice. In fact, see, we will go see Osama. We will send message to Osama. Tell us that things don't change. We need Baba, stop put one hand for soup. We go show them who will be. They go collect. We go tell them say I will be IMP. We go tell them say I will be a Osama faithful. We go tell them say I will be the grandson of Odi. And they hear me.
My daughter, look at my head. I said, look at my head. Hey. It will never be well with this boy.
Hey. In this community, I don't know what we are going to do. I think it's time for us to invite the police.
I don't want to say anything.
Sorry, let's go.
You see, the government must come into this matter. These boys, hey, I will deal with them. I said I will deal with them. I said, look at my head. Look at my head. Look at my body. My blood. In my own community. In my own community. I will never forgive them. I said I will never forgive them. I said I will never forgive this man. Forgive them. Forgive them. Look at my head. Are you looking at my head? My own blood. I said my own blood. My blood.
This wife will kill us.
My daughter. My special daughter.
Bobos! Bobos! See, as you don't be on, I don't see him. And as we start out like this with them, that's how we're going to bust them. We're going to bust them. Any head that will not respect itself, they're going to go down. As you don't be now, as we say we don't start out like this, any head that you see with red cap, Bobos! What I want to tell you, say, now where the matter be like this. Make on and no carry for me and say on our friends. No be community game one on the plane now, cut easy. But I don't say on our friends, even when they go easy on a shy. Anywhere we see any of them, bring them down. Who go come all of them? They follow the team, who go the team them? So what is them? Because they don't worry us. Bobos! Bobos! We go let them know say, no be by the crowd. They don't really say women abi. They don't really say women. How many them there? Who they be? Maximum regard for you, my Zek. Maximum regard. Prince Nazi! I read the no start be the beautiful vulture. What did you about the rock? You scatter my head. Stay. Any of my way see you. As a Zek don't talk am. Baba! See. As he be say them don't say we will be dirty people. Who go the dirty them? Step. Then look at our number. As our number be, we go the chase them. Pick them anywhere they enter. As for now, make a tell on her. Anything where you go, pam. Guy, that's here this evening. You go call him. We need to meet this evening. Then we go arrange something just well for them. We guys they knock them anywhere they gather. Any, you shot any right? We'll be there. How many
I'm really ashamed of myself. Look at my only child. My only daughter was among them. You know the funny thing there? This is exactly what took the life of my only son Ebuka in this community. And now my only daughter. My only daughter.
Take heart. Take heart. Even Emenike, that I so much have regard for in this community, I've joined them. Yeah, and even their leader now. Didn't you see what happened yesterday? Or had in this community? How he broke the head of Elder Coco with a bottle. An abomination. What has never happened before in this community happened yesterday.
My sisters,
my dear.
our children have turned to something else.
I'm telling you.
Hi!
Only you, I'm telling you.
My
I'm telling
eyes
you.
are saying my ears.
Yes.
And if these children involve native doctors,
Hey!
they will become audacious. Even police or army will not handle
Do them anything again.
We are going to fast though. We are going to pray.
Done.
You are right. For these children.
Yes.
That God will deliver them from
Yes. I believe He will.
Yes.
He will, because He is the only one we have.
My sister.
The children have become another option.
I'm dying.
She will not.
God
will rescue her.
Hey!
God will deliver her.
Somebody should help me to tell her that she's my only child.
Take her. Take sweetheart, we are all crying for you.
Chineke,
God will hear us.
you are hearing me.
Our community cannot remain like this. It cannot. God must do something in this community.
My son,
Mother.
I'm so happy that you're now a graduate. And very soon, get work. I want to beg you. All these things happen in our community. My son, please don't join them. Don't join them. So remember how I suffered frying akara under the mango tree. So, and everything was upon me. Now you're out from the school. I want to beg you. Don't join them in their courtesan or whatever they call themselves. If
I forgot everything in life, I can't forget how you suffered with your academics. To make sure I'm school. And I've never disappointed you. No promise. See, my staying in school, I've been boxed. Is it now I'm out from school?
oh, okay.
I'm too big for that. To give me some credit.
Okay, Mom. You made me proud.
Thank you.
But you see why I'm sounding this either as a warning or advice is because now these people at your doorpost, you wake up in the morning, they're the first thing that you see. They call themselves Odeba, Odewa, or they were, I don't even know. And you know one funny thing? It's like they're manipulating people into this court. When they started, they are just few. But now, they are many, my son. I just want to beg you. Let them not turn you to join them. See, if you see them coming this direction, just pass to the other side. Give them gap. I beg of you.
Why? No, Mother, tell me why?
I don't want to lose you.
I can't do that. Mother, don't forget I'm a member of this community. So I can't. See, Mother, we the youth have decided to call them to order. If they refuse to listen to us, then whatever thing they say, they should refuse.
Son, with what? These people are with gun. Killing everybody in this community. My son, I beg of you.
Mother, stop this. What do you expect? Mother, you don't expect us to fold our hands and watch them terrorizing the community. Our mothers haven't slept because of them. They do everything they like for us. Are they the only ones in this community? If they think they are too strong, they should go outside and fight and come back.
It's true,
not in their land.
Hey!
So, relax, nothing will happen. Okay? Calm down.
I want to beg you. Okay, my son, if you must go, allow those people, you know, those Akpobi with muzzles, let them be at front. Always be at the back, Leave those people with muzzles and Akpobi to be at the front. I beg you.
Nothing will happen. I'm coming. At least I'm not
going to find people with guns.
more than the last.
People with guns, my son. Hey!
I see, with all due respect, I had to discuss with you. Considering all this has happened in this community, it's not good for us. You and I know that this whole thing is giving our people sleepless nights. Situation whereby your father, your mother, sisters, and the younger ones, they are sleeping with fear. How they sound to you say a man like you, a respected youth in this community like you, and that's so stupid called Emelike. Just raise small boys. Boys whenever listen to anything, they cause problem for community. It doesn't sound on above. So that is why we have decided to come and see you. Just to plead with you. Stop all this. So bros, that is why we say let's see. We are not here for trouble. We are not here for problem. We are not here to insult you. You know, this they were and the ban issue.
That is focus there. The Jones. And then what you call big about them here? They talk to me, they talk about they were, they bam. The Jones, don't go eat your head. I see.
Me. That is me.
Isaac, if one play hitman, go outside, go play your game. Then come back community, we go protect you.
This man
This one is there, they mumu yourself up and down. This say we go support you. About it, they waste your time.
Me mumu myself.
You mumu yourself, you dey waste time. See, go outside, play anything you want play. Then come back community.
We go protect you, bros. You just mumu yourself for community, yeah.
So they community they do this thing. We want to protect you.
See this so idiot, Emenike, as big as he is. A man I think he's responsible. Go use bottle. That old dying man head. And if he said they play game.
Because in fact, like
this thing will help us now. See, you are a youth of this community. If a strong youth, well, we say when we work, you guys will are there to protect the community. But no, they're gonna scatter community.
Imagine that. Imagine that.
Guy, it's not by drawing crayon for hand. Makes you a game person. We don't see you, we don't believe you. Una don't finish. Una don't finish.
See, you need to listen to us. You get?
Listen, just let me see.
It's not everything we should do. There's what we call self-advice. Have you ever asked yourself, at the end of all this, what will be your gain? That's it. Have you ever asked yourself that someday you will get married, you will have children? What will you advise them? No. What will you advise them? You should take. All these things will not pay. It will pay.
And I don't talk to you.
We'll never talk to you. You should listen to us. Bros, we'll never talk to you.
I don't talk
this
to you.
thing they do doesn't make sense. Then they bring confusion between this and that.
Then they believe as if they small picking. You know what we are talking, asking us if we don't finish. Isaac, advise yourself. Leave this school not where they play.
Wait, man, wait. Before 3 of you conspire, come meet me to ask me such big, dirty, idiotic questions. Una no ask yourself, what if it happen to Ona?
This is not time for all this. See, what I expect from you is ridiculous.
I know. Make I listen to you for the nonsense, for the jargons and the stupid words and dirty words when they come out of your mouth. Is that what you're telling me to listen? Listen, you listen to me. Before Abraham put in words, the army, the next time the 3 of you go waka come here, come meet me, they tell me nonsense. Oh, I swear to thee. You where they talk, and they talk, they laugh. The next time when I go come here, I go put your head pin for Market Square.
No, fit try am. Austin.
1 million times no fit try am.
Austin, calm down. I believe that.
Talk to your friend.
We know ourselves.
A peaceful message we bring.
Only not swear.
Isaac.
So, I dey talk, and I get mouth to talk.
What will you be, sir?
Abi?
What will you be?
Because I dey talk, you approach, you get man, they ask me that I go fit swallow community.
Come on, bring that thing down. Come on, we don't see this in our campus.
Calm down.
We have seen this.
They hear me.
We don't see this in time for campus.
If they move, I go shoot. Anybody will move, wey talk nonsense, I go shoot the person. You where they talk, if not be akara where your mother dey fry, where make una feed the chop. If a big guy man talk to me,
At least I'm responsible.
At
least I listen.
You where they talk,
Than you.
carry your belly, progress the door, and shall come here. You don't come to claim son of the soil because they allow you enter you. You the man? You know before follow to Mbaba where they ticket die. That's what I said. Have every day.
Allow him to watch now.
And I get my friend to tell me rubbish. And then from I won't talk rubbish.
The worst thing I do is to shoot him.
See, make I tell her now. You see, not be saying all of us from this community. I could just shoot all of them now. Better than one hand.
That was don't get sense.
You hear me?
That was you don't get sense from the same community. That is why the person stop this way you do. He took it for this nonsense, I beg.
See,
what you don't want him say?
Don't provoke me more.
Gamoku they go.
Make on a just carry on that dirty self.
Sure, what is all right?
Carry on a big head and on a small leg. Let the human being come and make on come up from here. Now my show be. Make on punish all of them. Because make on go tell them America. You know the years make you come out here. If they take I say the brotherly things, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Your mother not gonna get anybody against you. My family will
Isaac, you know the ball. You better start thinking like you go.
Show the punch dog. Because we got a go wrong. Just borrow there.
See this idiot. You are with your big head, don't you sabi? Your father, the evil man, if he just keep people up at that. He come make them out to come talk to me inside this corrupt man. He go fix place corrupt. I go kill you, carry your head, put for Market Square. They go use you do some bud. The day my people go let us from you. Now my show me. Come here again, come tell me rubbish. Make go punish you now. Make I go see this guy first.
Ichiokoku.
My elder, you are welcome.
I say let me come and see you. Since after the commotion and confusion of that meeting we had that day, let me come and see how you're feeling. Hey, oh.
Elder.
Is this keep paining you? Sorry. But what I don't understand is how Emenike, the son of Igwedibia, a boy we all know was a peaceful boy, a boy we know that he was so obedient in this town, a boy we all cherished. How he suddenly became a tiger is what I can't understand. And the anger I saw in his eyes that very day surprised me. In fact, our community is in trouble. Can you imagine what happened that day? That is why I had to run for my dear life, because if a chicken runs out in the morning pursuing you, our elders say you should run, because we don't know whether it has started teeth in the night. Sorry. That's what I came to see.
Elder, Ichie, I will never forgive that boy. I said I will never forgive him. I will never forgive him and his family. I will deal with that boy. After dealing with that boy, this community will know why I am called Ichie Okoko.
Ichie, if you ask me, I will say, let sleeping dog lie. Let the sleeping dog lie. Because the kind of anger, the kind of wickedness I saw in that boy's eyes tells me that he is ready to do even more than he has done. He's ready to do more. So why don't you just leave this thing? It won't kill you.
Elder, Ichie, if I will forgive that God and his family, I will only do that because of the respect I have for you.
Thank you very much.
Because you are my elder. And you as my elder cannot talk to me and I refuse to obey. But, Ichie, I have not told you that I have forgiven them. But for now, I will calm down.
Just like I said, the things that will bring them out, will bring them out. You will be here and see them suffering their actions. The gods of our land will definitely fight for us. Thank you for talking to me. Why I am here is that I am aware that both of you are part of our youth leadership. But it baffles me that you are sitting down here and watching these boys ravage this community. I also know that both of you do not belong to any of the sides. So I ask, why are you people keeping quiet? These children have turned this community upside down. Chasing elders here and there. Killing people and spilling blood on this land. I was thinking that as part of the youth leadership, by now you should have swung into action and stop this program that is happening in this place. Little kids have taken over the community. So I'm feeling that our youth leadership are not doing anything, and that's why I'm here, and I'm not happy about it.
Iche, we are very sorry for what is going on in this community. It's not funny. Nirahan too is also funny. You know, they are still part of this community. They are also the youth of this community. You understand? We'll try to find out why they have chosen, you know, to give problem to the people of this community. Just like Emenike, who claims to be the principal of the so-called Deba. And the other one is Isaac, who also claimed to be the point of so-called Haywell to Iceland. But we are not part of them. As you can see, I'm a graduate. Also a graduate. Matthew, we have seen a lot right there in university, but we never, you know, give second thought of being part of them. And that's the reason why at their age and level, they should indulge themselves in such acts. Giving their fathers and their mothers and their younger ones sleepless nights, all in the name of courtesy. It will not pay them good. But before we, the youth, will carry out any action, first we have to, you know, have a dialogue with them. We must find out why they are behaving like that. Maybe if their reasons are not palatable to us, we have no choice than to strike.
The earlier we do that, the better. Because we can no longer sleep with our two eyes closed in this community.
Mazi, like you said, we'll have to call the both parties and ask them questions. Then from there, we'll not know what to do. We don't just want to swing into action without knowing.
Solid there.
Yes. Yeah. So once we find out what the problem is, we'll not know what to do.
Like I said, we are running out of patience with the elders. Do you even know that they don't have respect for anybody? Is it they well? Say that my red cap is a symbol of their fraternity. Do you know that I cannot wear this red cap and move freely within this community? They're harassing me here and there. Little boys. All of you just keep quiet and look at them like that. It's not fair. Even one small boy saw me the other day and was calling me, hey. I didn't even know it was me he was calling. When I turned, I looked around, there was no other person. I knew it was me. He said, hey, my friend, will you Debam there? Debam there. Do you know what Debam is?
Just as I said, it's a funny situation. You understand? So you just have to calm down. Make sure you go along with your red cap. This is your title. Yes, you will pay fine before the elders. So they shouldn't harass you to the level that you will, move around without a red cap. This is your red cap. This cap has been existing before the so-called barret. They wear something. Please.
Nobody said you should not wear your red cap. Move around the community with your red cap.
Thank you.
These are your children. You understand? After all, there's one other that says that the king will never start market. No and they shall say again, don't kill her. So they never see anything. Just come down, take care of this thing.
Well, like I said, I
Alala.
Ngwano. Kodekwa.
Iche. They say they make it deeper. Iche say to make it deeper.
You never say anything.
Iche, you know.
Our village don't turn to Las Vegas.
See, give to Kapsai, Emenike and Isaac before. These are young guys that are meant to be the pillars of this community. Come, what of Sammy? Say, when Sammy come back, that man.
No, go back. Yeah, no fit challenge these boys. No run. But the problem is, most of these guys are good.
No, wait. Guys, leave that thing. Leave that thing. Yeah, you don't go to university. Come on, this is what they here and just bubble juice. You see those boys? We go pick them like Peru, much rope.
Oh, shaking.
We go pick them, do the test and select something.
That one where they feel like Papa is always saying BIC.
No one will see them now.
Go pay.
Haven't you heard of First Knowledge TV? Subscribe.